Next is papaya. Papaya scientific name is Carica papaya L. Family is Caricaceae. Origin is Tropical America, Mexico. Tropical America and Mexico. Early yield giving crop. Time of crop yield is 9 to 10 months after planting. Yield 100 tons per hectare. So time of crop yield 9 to 10 months after planting, yield is 100 tons per hectare. Used to make jam, jelly, syrup, preserves, salad, papaya candy, canned fruits. It is a highly cross-pollinated crop. Seed mating is done in papaya, crossing between sister and brother species. Seed mating is done in papaya. Highly cross-pollinated crop. Quick grower and heavy feeder crop. Have enzymes papain. Papain is a proteolytic enzyme found in milky latex of green fruits of papaya. It is also rich in vitamin A, 2500 IU. It is a climacteric type fruits. These fruits can ripen after being picked and have more ethylene than non-climacteric fruits. So climacteric type fruits. So papaya have enzyme papain, that is a proteolytic enzyme found in milky latex of green fruits of papaya. It is also rich in vitamin A, 2500 IU. It is a climacteric type fruit. Need sunny weather and sunny places. Can be grown on variety of soil. Soil pH is 6 to 7, sensitive to frost, tolerate or withstand to extreme high temperature. Propagation by two methods, by seeds and by vegetative methods. By seeds propagation, genetically pure seeds collected from seed-mated or selfed fruits have mixed inheritance, have highly variable genes. Genetically pure, collected from seed-mated or selfed fruits, have mixed inheritance and have highly variable gene seeds. Vegetative methods not possible due to hollow nature of papaya stem. But recently some experiments have been done in papaya propagation by vegetative methods like patch budding at Varanasi during mid-September. It gave good results. Tissue culture at IARI New Delhi gave 1.5 times higher yield than seeded propagation. So vegetative methods not possible due to hollow nature of the papaya stem. But recently some experiments have been done in papaya propagation by vegetative propagation. First is patch budding that was done in Varanasi during mid-September. It gave good results. And second is tissue culture was done at IARI New Delhi, give 1.5 times higher yield than seeded propagation. Botanical description of papaya plants. Classification of papaya varieties based on sex expression. Two types: dioecious varieties and gynodioecious varieties. Dioecious varieties produce male plants is to female plants in 1:1 ratio. Gynodioecious variety produce female plants is to bisexual or hermaphrodite plants in 1:2 ratio. Based on sex expression, dioecious plants and gynodioecious varieties. Dioecious plants produce male plants is to female plants in 1:1 ratio. Gynodioecious varieties produce female plants is to bisexual or hermaphrodite plants in 1:2 ratio. Papaya plants have three types of flowers, or papaya flowers have three types of sexual forms. Three types of flowers, or flowers have three types of sexual form. First is male flowers. Male flowers are slender, spoon-shaped buds, have spoon-shaped buds and petals are fused at the base and produce male flowers. Male flowers don't have ovary, so can't be developed into fruit. They have stamens that contain pollen, pollinate female flowers and produce fruits. Male flowers are produced in large number on the branched, dropping flower stalk or peduncle. Female flowers are free of conical buds and petals, have ovary, don't have stamens, have prominent stigma, do not form fruits unless pollinated. Bone on stem of plant where leaf is attached in the axil of the leaf petiole. Bulbas at the base before they open, pointed at the tip. Pollen is carried out by wind or insect. Pollen is carried out by which type of agents? Wind or insect. Fruits abortion in absence of pollens. Hermaphrodite flowers or bisexual flowers have both ovary and stamens bearing pollens in one plant, can pollinate themselves by own. Bone in the leaf axil like female flowers, have cylindrical bud. Which type of bud? Cylindrical bud in hermaphrodite flowers. Self-fertile, petals are fused at the base. Raising of seedlings from freshly extracted seeds dried in the shade. Seed rate is 400 to 500 gram per hectare in nursery or beds. Raising of seedlings in nursery beds or polythene bags. Spacing within row 5 cm, between the rows 15 cm. Within row 5 cm, between rows 15 cm. Seeds germination time within 15 to 20 days. Time of transplanting of seedlings when seedlings are 15 to 20 cm in height after 2 months of sowing of seeds. Planting peat size is 45 cm into 45 cm. Peats are filled with topsoil plus 5 kg of farmyard manure plus 100 gram of neem cake plus 40 gram of SSP single superphosphate. Peat size 45 cm into 45 cm. Peats are 2.5 cm apart. Peats are filled with topsoil plus 5 kg of FYM plus 100 gram of neem cake plus 40 gram of SSP or single superphosphate. 4 seedlings per 1 peat, 1 female plant per peat and 1 male plant for every 10 female plants are maintained in dioecious type. 4 seedlings per 1 peat. 1 female plant per peat, 1 male plant for every 10 female plants are maintained in dioecious type of planting. Planting time in India beginning at the monsoon. Manuring first dose plus second dose. First dose NPK ratio 50:50:50 per plant. After first dose, after thinning of male and female plants. Thinning of male and female plants. Second dose 2 months interval from the second month of planting. Same NPK 50:50:50 per plant. 2 months interval from second month of planting. Irrigation is regular irrigation. Summer interval 5 to 6 days. Winter interval of irrigation 8 to 10 days. Summer interval 5 to 6 days. Winter interval 8 to 10 days. System of irrigation is ring irrigation. Ring system irrigation prevents collar rot disease of papaya. So which type of irrigation can reduce the collar rot disease of papaya? Ring system irrigation can reduce the collar rot disease of papaya. Then interculture, plowing, harrowing and weeding. Crosswise plowing and harrowing crosswise 2 times in 1 year and weeding is frequent. Plowing and harrowing crosswise 2 times in 1 year, weeding is frequent. Intercropping. Intercropping with vegetables for 6 months from the planting of papaya seedlings. Intercropping with which type of crops? Vegetables. For 6 months from the planting of papaya seedlings. Flowering 5 to 6 months after planting. Flowering 5 to 6 months after planting. 2 types of flowering, dioecious type of flowering, gynodioecious type of flowering. Dioecious bears male and female flowers separately on different plants, and gynodioecious bears both female or pistillate and hermaphrodite or bisexual flowers separately on different plants. Male flowers borne on the long stalks and female and perfect flowers borne on the leaf axils in the small clusters. Long stalks, male flower, female and perfect flower, leaf axils in the small clusters. Fruit setting time is 15 to 20 days after flowering. Fruit setting throughout its life. Fruit maturity time 4 to 5 months. Fruit setting 15 to 20 days after flowering. Fruit maturity time 4 to 5 months. Maturity indication of papaya plants. Color change. Harvesting 9 to 10 months after planting. Harvesting time 9 to 10 months after planting. Economic life of papaya 2 to 3 years. So how many time the papaya will be economic? For 2 to 3 years. Papain extraction process. Papain is tapped from 90 days old immature papaya fruits. Repeat tapping 4 times on the same fruit at an interval of 4 days. Collected, then shade dried, then packed in polythene bags. KMS or potassium metabisulfite sprayed KMS or potassium metabisulfite at the rate 0.05% is added to the latex. So papain extraction from papaya. Papain is tapped from 90 days old immature papaya fruits. Repeat the tapping 4 times on the same fruit at an interval of 4 days. Papain is collected, then shade dried, then packed in polythene bags. KMS or potassium metabisulfite at the rate 0.05% is added to the latex. Yield. Average yield of fruits 75 to 100 tons per hectare. Peak yield time second year. Yield reduce in third year. Average yield of fruits 75 to 100 tons per hectare. Peak yield time second year and yield reduce at third year. Papain yield 1.23 gram to 7.45 gram per fruits and cultivars. Papain yield 1.23 gram to 7.45 gram. Time for papain extraction, July to August. Cool and wet period gives more papain. Which type of atmosphere gives more papain? Cool and wet period. Time of papain extraction, July to August. Papaya varieties, dioecious and gynodioecious. Commercially grown improved varieties of papaya. CO1, CO2, CO5, CO6, Punjab sweet and Washington. Coorg honeydew, honeydew, Pusa dwarf, Pusa delicious, Pusa giant, Pusa majesty, Pusa nanha, Surya and Solo. These are the commercially grown improved varieties of papaya. Then hybrid varieties CP81, CO7. Highest papain yielding varieties Washington, yield is 7 gram per 100 to 150 gram of dried latex per tree per year. So which is the highest papain yielding variety included in papaya? Washington, yield is 7 gram per 100 to 150 of dried latex per tree per year. This Coorg honeydew, Pusa delicious and Pusa majesty are the papain varieties also. What are the other papain varieties? Coorg honeydew, Pusa delicious and Pusa majesty.